Hi everyone! So for today's video, we will be unboxing Rosea's birthday gifts. And this one. And this one. Na-open ko na siya, pero isa-isayin lang natin while the kids are asleep tonight. Kasi kapag gising sila, hindi na siya surprise. So for today, Spider-Man tumbler. So this is Josea's favorite nowadays. So Spider-Man superhero. So we have a tumbler. And then we also have Spider-Man gun. And car. Superhero cars. So we bought everything from Shopee and Lazada. That's April 15, so day sale. And then we use vouchers and coins. And yung mga nabibili sa live, ito siya. Spider-Man Puppet. Puppet Kid. I hope you like this because lately, lagi na lang yung ate niya dinadala ng mga may melody, non-stop. So since it's his birthday, so we'll be having different Spider-Man collectibles. Spoon and fork. Ito, this is from Papa Hermie. Spider-Man one. Look at the zipper. Ang ganda niya. And inside this is Spider-Man shades. Meron pang Spider-Man shades na umiilaw pero di pa dumarating. Balloons! Because we're just gonna put a little setup here at home. So, meron ako ditong candles. And I also have another balloons. These are just balloons in mga foil. Curtain foils that we will use for his birthday, on the day of his birthday, to surprise him when he wakes up. Meron kami Spider-Man setup. Ito rin, we ordered these chip bags from Shopee. Ito rin yung gumawa nung birthday niya last year na Baby Shark. So ngayon, Spider-Man naman. So this is for Josea's chip bags. And then, we also have here, ayan, ito yung nag-swimming ng ate niya. Meron din tayo hood towel. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Pag ano na lang, unbox nyo sa hood towel. And then, we also have, this one. Yung sa kamay ko eh. When you click it, may lalabas na mga socket na mga weapon ni Spider-Man. Put it here. Tapos may kasama na siyang gloves ni Spider-Man. Meron na siyang gamit ni Spider-Man. Dalawa actually. Ginamit niya for photo shoot. And we have the Spider-Man. Iniilaw to. So, tsaka na lang. I-remove kasi yun para makita yung ilaw. Pero, try natin. Spider-Man! Pero itong shades na umiilaw din. Pero hindi pa siya dumarating. Siguro nasa China pa. Mga Spider-Man like thingy. We're gonna give this away. 9 pesos lang po each. We bought a lot. So, one for Rosea, for Kaden, his friends. Sino ba friends niya na boys? Siguro anak ni Diday. Meron pa ba kaming cousin? Sila lang nagpinsan na boy eh. May sobra pa. And ito pa. Wala lang. I think this is just 20 pesos. So, binili ko na. Para lang meron siyang i-unbox din on his birthday. And then, we also have Spider-Man toothpaste. Since papalitan ko na talaga yung toothpaste nila. Toothbrush para. Toothbrush. So, nabili ko to for 21 pesos. Sa Shopee din. Naka-live to eh. Ang hirap naman din. Naka-live to mga to. May kasabay po. Pero ito yung mga... hindi ko naka-live. Ito pala yung zero free shipping, zero minimum. So, dalawa na binili ko. Spider-Man! Ayun lang. Wala na. I also have here still balloons din po. Cake topper. Para sa birthday niya siya. 5 piraso po. So, bibili na lang ako ng cake. Hindi na ako nagpagawa. So, talagay ko to. Cake topper. Meron siyang stand. Chirin! So, these are cake toppers. And then, we also have Spider-Man cake topper. Happy birthday. And we have a lot of balloons. Spider-Man balloons. This is banner. Balloons. 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 Wala na. These are balloons. So, palalabuhan natin ito na lumilipad. Balloons, 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 balloons. Ayun lang. So, ito na po yung mga Spider-Man collectibles for Josea's birthday. Dito lang sa bahay. So, ito yung i-unbox ni Josea. Happy birthday, Seiya. We love you.